Yesterday we have already seen about the different types of nutrients in the food and different types of groups. Now we will proceed with the next topic of the same lesson, a balanced diet. Now what is the meaning of a balanced diet? Diet means the food which you eat. Now, a diet that contains the right amount of all nutrient as well as water and roughage is called balanced diet. Yesterday we have seen that all the nutrients in your body are equally important. So our body needs these nutrients in a proper amount. It is not like that you can eat a single type of nutrients lot so that your body cannot tolerate it. You have to eat the nutrients in proper quantity. Hence, the food is being divided into different groups so that you can select any one of the food items which will provide you with the sufficient nutrients. So according to make your diet easier, selection of balanced diet easier, the food has been divided into four groups. The first group is cereal group, which contains rice, chapati, bread, noodles, etc. This cereal group will provide you carbohydrate and mineral. You can eat any one of the item in your daily food so that your carbohydrate and minerals need will be provided. The next group is vegetable and fruit group. It includes all the green vegetables and fruits. You can at least in a day you can eat one green vegetable and one fruit so that it will satisfy your need of minerals and carbohydrates. The third group is milk group, which contains all the milk products such as milk, cheese, curd, etc. And it will satisfy the need of proteins, fats and minerals. You can choose any one item daily in your diet. The fourth group is protein group, which consists of meat, fish, egg, nuts, etc. And it is satisfying your proteins and fats need. So children, you can select whichever food eat daily so that all the five nutrients your body will get in a proper amount. Okay, along with the nutrients, water and roughage is also equally important. So have you got it now how to select the balanced diet? Now we shall proceed. Now sometimes what happen, these nutrients may get damaged because of the incorrect way of cooking. So it's very important to cook the food in that way so the all the nutrients are present in your food and your body will get a proper nutrient. So preserving means what? You have to preserve the nutrients. That means whatever nutrients are present in your food, you have to preserve them. You should not allow them to get destroyed. Now how is this done? This is done by various way. Like the first way of preserving the food is dehydration. Now what is the meaning of D? D means removal, hydration means water. Removal of water from the food is called as dehydration. Next way is sweetening. Like you may have seen your jams and jellies, students. You can store that jams and jellies for whole year because you are adding a lot of sugar in that so that it won't get damaged and you can store it for longer time. The third one is salting. It is done in most of the pickles and all that so that you can store such things for a longer time. Next is canning. Some food items are canned. Like when you go in the market and you purchase some Coca-Cola cans and all that, you can preserve for whole year, and that process is called as canning. Then next is pickling. Your mother may be preparing pickles at home, that is achar. She adds oil so that germs will not grow and you can store it for a longer time without destroying the nutrients. And the last is some of the food items are preserved by putting some preservatives like vinegar or oil. So these are the different ways by which you can preserve the nutrients and the food, which are very very important. Is it clear, children? So this is balanced diet, the food group according to the balanced diet and preserving the nutrient. Now we shall proceed to the next part of this lesson,